There's another reason why the needle speed is important. Because the higher the needle speed, the shorter the needle will remain in the skin. And if you imagine you have the needle which is inside of the skin and you move your hand with the handpiece and the needle sideways, you put some sideways pressure on the skin. You get like a catching, hooking of the skin in the needle if that needle doesn't retrieve from the skin quick enough. You know this if you work with low quality needles, with low quality machines also, you will feel that hooking and that resistance of the skin when or snagging it could also be called, when the needle tries to get out of the skin but gets stuck. So therefore you need that high retraction speed.